The Atlanta Hawks came to LYFE Marketing with very specific objectives. They wanted us to make the Hawks a trending Twitter topic, and they wanted to create massive word of mouth surrounding Hawks basketball, specifically on Twitter. And we did just that. We got hashtag Hawks Ticks giveaway trending in a campaign that we led for them, and we reached over 89,000 individual accounts on Twitter in the process. Let's take a look at another industry. We helped this restaurant increase their Twitter followers by over 1,200, thus increasing their Twitter engagement overall as a result. There are over 192 million daily active users on Twitter, and with the right Twitter engagement strategies, you could tap into that to find your target audience on the platform, engage them, and eventually convert them into customers. So today I'm sharing my 4-step method to help you increase your Twitter engagement. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. And today I'm covering the top Twitter engagement strategies you need to grow on the platform. But before I dive in, go ahead and like this video for me and subscribe to the channel for new digital marketing videos every single week. All right, like I said, there's close to 200 million active daily users on Twitter, not monthly and not idle, daily and active. But let's look a little bit deeper than that. 78% of Twitter users that follow small to medium-sized businesses say that they will most likely retweet content from them. And more than that, 93% of Twitter users that follow small businesses have plans to buy from them, while 68.7% are already customers who have previously purchased from the brand. So why am I throwing all these statistics at you? It's to show you the bigger picture. Followers lead to engagement, which leads to purchases, which leads to repeat purchases, or if you're B2B, a higher retention rate. In short, Twitter engagement matters. So with that, let's go ahead and get into my 4-step method to help you increase your Twitter engagement with step number 1, identify the top profiles in your space. If you've watched our videos before, you've heard us talk about the importance of understanding your target audience, specifically understanding their goals and pain points. Now, we've talked about goals and pain points in several videos. I know I talk about it in my Digital Marketing for Beginners video. Karan goes over it in his What to Post on Instagram video, just to name a couple. So I'll link those 2 videos in the description to get you started. I'm giving you those resources because I don't want to spend too much more time talking about how to identify your audience's goals and pain points again in this video. What I will say is that you need to understand what motivates your audience to engage on Twitter so that you can adjust your Twitter strategy accordingly. One way to do that is to look at the top profiles in your space. Look at their tweets and determine any common denominators or patterns in the tweets that get the most engagement. And for Twitter, engagement comes in the form of retweets, replies, and favorites. When you're looking for the top profiles in your industry, this can include both competitors as well as inspo blog accounts or news accounts that are related to your industry. You just want to find a few profiles that share your target audience and have a high follower count and high engagement rate. Scroll through their tweets, clicking on the ones with the most engagement as an indicator of the content topics that your target audience likes to see. The first step to getting good engagement is to produce content that your audience wants to engage with. And researching the top Twitter accounts in your niche is a great place to figure that out. All right, moving on to step number 2, outreach. Now that you've found accounts where your target audience is engaging, engage with them there. For example, if you sell yoga leggings and you're looking at this tweet from Athleta, you could also engage in the conversation supporting Simone Biles. You're not outright selling yourself here, but it makes people in your target audience aware of your brand and account. Plus, you're engaging directly with people who have a history of engaging on Twitter, meaning that they will be more likely to engage with you. Now, another more direct form of outreach that we have performed a lot for our clients is to find people using relevant hashtags and keywords. For example, let's say that you sell a great hair product that helps people with their frizzy hair. You can either search the hashtag frizzy hair and see what you come up with, or you can go to the advanced search settings on Twitter and search it as a keyword. With advanced search, you can ensure that a tweet must have all the words in a tweet in any order or in the exact order that you choose. From there, you can reply directly to people saying that they struggle with frizzy hair and introduce them to your product as the solution. Now, the last outreach method includes leveraging Twitter trends. Just go to the Explore page and click Trending, and from there you can see all the trending hashtags, keywords, and topics. You'll want to see if there are any trending topics that are relevant to what you offer and your industry. This allows you to take advantage of any keywords or hashtags that are already getting a lot of attention. I like to just look through these before I wrap up any outreach efforts for the day to see if there's anything we can engage with there. Outreach overall is awesome for organic, direct engagement with your potential customers and is a great way to garner targeted brand awareness and engagement for your business on Twitter. All right, moving on to step number 3, giveaways. This is the strategy that we used for the Hawks at the beginning of this video. The premise is that you offer something of value for free to Twitter users in exchange for something from them in return. Here are my 3 tips for hosting giveaways. Number 1, make the prize something that's relevant to your business. In the case of the Hawks, they were giving away tickets to one of their games. Now, that giveaway would have been a lot less impactful if they were just giving away an Amazon gift card or something, because you want the people who partake in the giveaway to be relevant to your business as a potential customer. Choosing a prize that's specific to the nature of your business is a great way to attract people who will follow you and stick around long after the giveaway is over. Number 2, the requirements for participants to enter that I always suggest are to follow your account, favorite your original tweet about the giveaway, and have them tweet something on their own using a specific hashtag you've created just for the giveaway and tagging you to let people know they've entered. For example, let's say that you own a car wash called Brandy's Car Wash and you're giving away a free car wash. The requirements for people to enter should be to follow your car wash account on Twitter, favorite the tweet you made about the giveaway, which I would advise pinning to the top of your Twitter account to make it easy for people to find, and having them tweet one reason why they love your car wash with the hashtag Brandy's Car Wash Giveaway. You'll just want to look in advance to make sure you choose a hashtag that's not already being used for something else. And number 3, when the giveaway is over and the winner has been chosen, let people know. Unpin the tweet from the top of your page, reply to it with something that says, "Update, winner has been chosen," and then post a new tweet of when the next giveaway will be. Let people know how often they can expect these giveaways from you, because people appreciate organization. Giveaways are always such a reliable way to drum up some engagement if you pick the right prize and deliver it to the right audience. All right, moving on to step number 4, use polls. People love answering questions, especially fun polls on social media. Just click the polls icon, think of a question that is relevant and engaging to both your business and your audience, and then you can enter up to 4 multiple choice options for them to choose from. Then you can set the length for how long you want this poll to run, and you want to make sure it's set so that everyone can reply. Plus, beyond your audience just loving polls, Twitter will love that you're using polls as well. Social media apps and their algorithms generally favor you the more you use different features within the app. So you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone by using polls. Have you used Twitter polls before? Comment yes for me if you have, or will do if you plan to. In addition to using polls, it's also worth mentioning that you can simply ask questions in your regular tweets too. Polls are great because they make it easy for people to answer with just 1 click, but in the spirit of asking for as much Twitter engagement as possible, don't be afraid to just include questions in your other tweets as well. Getting people to reply back to your tweets is an effective step in moving them through your Twitter strategy and into the next piece of your marketing funnel. All right, that's all I have for you today, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next episode.